Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I thought let's just compare the hardware between the A51 and A53, the new and the old. So they still have the boxes. This is the A51, I got it 2 years back. Currently this is the box, the thick one, and then this is the A53 box. It's the new one that I got. So on the old device, it was a cell phone and a charger and earphones. And I had this charger with a phone. So let me just open it up and then I can put it aside. And with the A53, I got the blue one. It came with just a cable only, a Type-C cable, nothing else on the box. It came with this type of a connector, Type-C to Type-C. So today we're just going to check the hardware between these two devices. So on the sides, they've got all this, the up and down volume, power, up. The mic on the A51 is in the middle, and then here it's this side on the left hand side. On A51 I've got a SIM card tray, and then at the bottom on A53 I've got a SIM card tray. On the A51 I've got 3.5mm jack and Type-C speaker. On A53 I've got dual speakers. I've got one on this side and then one at the top, so it's two speakers, like a dual speakers. Then the cameras for both of these devices, the other one it's 64, 12 and 5 and 5. This one is 48, 12, 5 and 5. It's still working. I still like it. I've been using it for 2 years now. It's a great device and it's light. I think this one is a bit heavy for now, but I think I'll get used to it. Still early days. So let's just compare the SIM card trays. So on A53 you have to choose if you want to have a SIM card, 2 SIM cards or a memory card. While on A51 you can have all of those. So you can have the SIM card, you can have 2 SIM cards, 2 SIM cards and a memory card. On A53 you can have the SIM card. Let me just connect it. You can have, this is SIM 1, so you can choose if you want to have 2 SIM cards. This one is sitting there, or a memory card. So you've got this type of a SIM card tray. So if you've got a memory card, you cannot have 2 SIM cards. If you've got 2 SIM cards, you cannot have a memory card. And then the other SIM card, it's like this, and then you put it in your phone. So you'll put it on the phone, then you can just push it in, and then we can take it out. So that's the main difference also on this one. So let me just put back this SIM card on the other phone. By the way, please like and subscribe for more content. I'll be shooting more videos with these two devices. So you can put it back, and then this one we can put it back. Two more things. The A53 is waterproof, and then the A51 it's not waterproof. So this one you put in water, you're on your own. This one at least you can survive there and there. And when it comes to the headphone jack on A53, not sure if you can see, there it is. So on A53, if you want to use you will have to use something like this. If you still have those old connectors, this is what I use, because some of my devices they don't have the Bluetooth, and then they depend on 3.5mm. So I use this one, but otherwise it's a great phone. I like it, and it's working great. And there's a display also. On A53 I've got 120 Hz, and then on this one I think it's 890 Hz or something, but it's not the same as this one. that's it. Thank you guys.